The purpose of this video is for you to be able to calculate the molar mass of a compound based upon its formula. Let's look at this formula, hydrogen peroxide. I want to know how much 1 mole of hydrogen peroxide is basically how many grams of hydrogen peroxide. That's what I want to figure out. I got to get a periodic table. Now, I need a periodic table. All right? The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to determine the elements that I have. Just look at the formula. I've got hydrogen and I've got oxygen. All right? And then I look at this and I find their atomic mass. It's the decimal number. Oxygen is 16.00 and hydrogen is 1.01. I found that by reading it on here. And then what I need to do is I need to look at the formula and figure out how much of each element I have there. Hydrogen, I have 2 of them. Oxygen, I have 2 of them. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to multiply them. So I would multiply 2 and 1.01 and 2 and 16.00. And the last step is I add up my products. So this means one mole of hydrogen peroxide, 6.02 e to the 23rd molecules of hydrogen peroxide have a mass of 34.02 grams. All right. Salt, NaCl. So the first thing I need to do is figure out what elements there are. Now don't get confused. The Cl is not carbon and iodine. It's a lowercase L there, not an I. So it's chlorine and sodium. Now I need to figure out their molar, their atomic masses. Chlorine's over here, sodium's right there, and sodium is all right. Then I figure out the subscripts. Sodium is 1, chlorine is 1, so I would multiply both of these factors by 1. Add up my products, and I get 1 mole of NaCl is equal to 58.44 grams of NaCl.